Hey there, reggae lovers. It is your host, G. Cole, and I'm coming to you with some amazing Reggae Month fun facts. This segment is brought to you by our amazing sponsors, Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and Jamaicans.com. Now let's get into these fun facts. Let's go. My artist, my DJ, my favorite DJ, Sir Rodney Price, aka Bounty Level, aka Bounty Killer. Alright, now did you know Bounty Killer was the first Jamaican artist to perform at the Super Bowl halftime show, right? That was back in 2001, Super Bowl 46. And he performed alongside mega pop star band, No Doubt. They performed that smash single they have called Hey Baby, alright? And they performed this for over 86 million viewers, including those people in the stadium. Amazing, 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 amazing. That song went on to become a massive success, selling millions of copies as a single, and of course going on to propel that album also to double platinum status. And of course would win Sir, I gotta drop the Sir on it, Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer, our Grammy. Now the Super Bowl halftime show spot from everybody across the world, predominantly pop artists, R&B artists, and nowadays we see a little bit more hip-hop artists on the halftime show. But when I say phenomenal feat, we're talking about a kid from Sayville, Riverton, them areas, streets of Kingston, growing up to then be on one of the most watched platforms, one of the most watched shows in the world, just based on sheer volume. And again, the Super Bowl is one of the biggest things in sports. So to be on that stage, 86 million people checking out the one and only Bounty Killer alongside No Doubt. Congratulations, Sir Rodney Price. And this just goes, it's just another testament of how Jamaican music culture, dancehall culture, reggae culture has been able to permeate the airwaves and find its way to all corners of the globe. The prehensibility of this music is infinite. You go somewhere, dancehall's gonna find you. Big up, Sir Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer. There you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's mind-blowing reggae facts, courtesy of Florida Power and Light, Grace Foods, Island Space Caribbean Museum, and the Jamaicans.com. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and also, please hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that share. All right? Thank you.